You see this agave is also purpose. This one we marinate the useless ulala no soon. Ulala will not the shame. Ulala will not the pot. Ulala the deportee. Yeah. This me. Lala go Nigeria. I'm going to go chop goat. After I don't chop semo. It is the way they chop for Nigeria. They chop for here. As it is here, don't see goat. Don't see live goat shop. Now goat if you want to go find for market, see where they sell live goats. Where they train goats, dive goats. And police grab on the deport and go house. And the deport la riwa. Ye jawe be ki you no you can. Ogbe vi kelas da Zaragoza. Ye ke ya gol you gol ke kan we Zaragoza. Ba bo yan la we ye joy. Ye jawe no ho. Ba bo la we gbe. Ni ku emu. 3 children, 3 papa. Salwa. Agag mo weni. There no why. One Epa Eddie house na we saleke yo wohi. I all na to go eke yo wohi. E we no long. You see, this useless woman where I say Mama Joy so. You know the things will matter. You know once you just hear my matter, in clitoris go just stand. Go I go what do. You might not go looking at be gena ba. Now genocide matter come. Now genocide na deal with. I don't concern you. You and the vie on my camera wa. This is why we wanna go na. Cause we make bad work. You understand? You cannot expect me to be like people. Because you people are a bunch of fools. Now, attitude no ba mu yo muhi. No ya gbe ke yo hebe. We ote. Yo hebe wa fa be gbinana. Eku kan ge wa sun wo jo ke. We no wa gbinana wa gbina gbelegbu wa. When you are over here, you are if you are born la wa gbe, o wa han gbe na gbelegbu wa re bi you. You see life. Me now I enjoy myself. I do my drink in wanyo, be your way with my beautiful wife. Wa watiti no ga asu makugbe. Wa igbe no wa na gbe na gbelegbu wa. Wa ibe kona. No bu na ko dey fight so. O saga gbe yan meme. Agi mume iziga ovedo. Saga gberia meme. Agi mume iziga. Titi no page. Oswe mawagbo. Fear woman. Atiti our market now. Our market now. Yeah, this me. Man with the run the follow woman. See your life now. E ba we do hen ya we jore get inside. Ye jore gbe aga no. E da wonu le gbe aga. E ba we do hen ya. Wala. When you are benefiting from there, they will become iye venogi. Eni boku, iye ni mosi, iye nogi. When they come against you, they become igbe aga ogogo. You will not turn them to ogogo. That is your attitude. Agbogaze logoze Izi egboya agbogaze logoze we na mmiri okpa azale ebe bia ka bia no no to ready. Once you know understand that you are not relevant to society, that's the truth. Age we na go zuo omo not ne bo mu de ko awona ya ge we atiti awona ya ge we age we na omo ne bo mu ya re ko not zuo are ko. You understand? That's the reason why I'm here. You are not relevant. Who do ye general Zaragoza no matter obu ne mo kyuya. Ulala na sun we ne boro wani ba la like me. Ba bogi like bo we like bo to like bo we yori. Udage obu no mu go you go hu. Una dia we bodo gbigbe agia with a bright price we we. Bin wa go wa se o wa ulala. U give se we bo omo no we agia hu job no mu hu gu e. Ona bi aho we or in a Mr. Idahosa. Mr. Idahosa na hoe. Una do be Louis, una be Mr. Idahosa. Ulala mahe. Una be Lola, una be Mr. Idahosa. Ulala mahe. Is Joe. And at the end round, you still went back to that same native doctor to be sleeping with him in Nigeria. We don't even know why. Joe. And whom were him, a story with all we are. It be a game we make winning. Also, because if they check people history, it's a dirty character. Don't wait to write them about. And you will still come out to do Agua. When you like the live video, you do Agua. To who am I saying? I still wake up my friend, get inside. They're going to get inside the Yejo. Yejo, kiss one go. I will not gain. I will not get an aloe. You understand? Now I will not aloe. Which day? Kaya dollar or a criminal of a criminal. I will face with not right with your bleachy face. Go and make sure you bought a good cream to make sure you clean this darkness that's in your eyeball, around your eyeball there. Just now, let your face be clean and smooth before you come to talk to me. Understand now? Make sure, I could make clear. Make sure no ka dollar or na yini ya we amba wu ko do gu ngona wa be yo agbo awa bere wa biju wa agbo wa bom na be mi jiju wa o sun wele ne woro wa you no gbe 6 years akati bere e si to no pe o bodo ma ti blue wa go de agbo ni de ru wa ma de ge no pa no ro no vi omo kwa me de go ni go e pitolet doro e cat ma we ne pitolet yet he go when is where when we're friends when we're friend and my guy and he gets sense where we you understand if Ovi way they fuck you get sense if you see they call me they beg me make a beg make me and you settle and I let her know say I know if you settle with you the chance where I give you second chance you don't misuse that second chance so it is over you understand. If you like, you shout my name not tomorrow. If na my name you go to they come. They use my name, they come. But that leg, I don't they give you again. I don't block you. I don't delete I don't delete you for my generation. If you like, you're the shout from anything you like, talk about that side. One thing is sure, the only day we are going to reply you, we are going to carry your picture of my platform, come write your name on top, come message you, and then we'll come insult you. I'll come write congratulations to you. You understand? If you, the only day we are going to come sit down, bring your picture of my platform, the way I put this as well, my platform so. If only you feel regain your 3 children back to you, the day you regain your 3 children from the father back to you, that day I will write your name with a capital letter, and it's going to be congratulations. I go wear my white and white, where I tell they celebrate you. By Rebis Martin VSOP original. I go use it and celebrate you. From that day, I go to respect you as a mother. As far as I'm concerned, you have no you lost 3 children for a man. That means you are irrelevant, you are irresponsible mothers. I will never respect you, and I will never mention your name on my platform or write you out on my platform to give you advice, because you are a wayward and a useless mother. If Austria government known and registered you as a useless mother, collect 3 children from you, give to the father. No, because they collect the 3 children in the season. If they season, I go say a normal thing where they do some wonder if they make any slight mistake. But for them to collect the 3 children from you, hand over to the papa, they give you work, maybe they work, maybe the papa they sit down for us, they eat child benefits. That to show say you are a useless mother. I know a concert guy you my platform again. The assignment where I give you with this, go and try as much as possible to have your 3 children by your side before you go talk to me more. You understand? Before you go talk to me. As I be as a responsible father, I cannot be talking to irresponsible mothers. You feel me so? What we know for our brother are single mothers. Their children could deal with them. I never see single mothers who government collect their children, give their papa. You understand? Apart from you. My sister, no verse, I too big for you. They call your name my platform. My platform is too big and punch and responsible to call nuisance my platform. You see the reason why EA Joy, this one will do I like Ogoro. You know the reason why they support Dion Sagi? I will tell you the reason why, because I knew everything. Dion is the media coordinator in the diaspora at large, or for APC. And the group where EA Joy did, Dion is the coordinator. Dion is APC member. EA Joy is APC member. When they shout, wait for my day, wait for that is the wait for my day, wait for that is the my day, for governor. Poverty no. Now that group, if you watch, none of them talk about this thing, talk against John. Eddie Murphy to sit down and talk about against John. He go on Chinese struggle to find food or free food we want to eat with his children. Only I got the Chinese struggle not about it. No one yet been here shall must stop. You understand? Oswald ye John no one man where I say I never want like we about to go like we do bear Usun were never go back working a board you will be a quarter you when we hear when you want to know what be you. Ye Jay but money Dausa, deputy, governor, in our governor. Oh, now we wish a governor illiterate. They were no the media, yeah, they are also illiterate. Check person like a Dimorphy or Maguayo or Lakoko or Maguayo. You know, we know where or this one of Bodos or Maguayo. These are people that support APC in this gubernatorial election that they just finished now. Why? This Anini America junkie is their coordinator. You understand? So he get that morale, he get that ZC, he get all this for back. So nothing they happen, make carry the matter go media. Omagu where every now tell politics they are saga. It be a car. Be a car. Iye joy. Wow, no one. Ye joy ne killer. Ọmọ no gbe wopa. Isa gere wo. Ọmọ no yimoto gbe wopa. Isa gere wo ya. Wena yimoto gbe wo. Ulala la aje gan yo. O we agulala de bio. Papo we ni oga. Wo ya agulala. O susu ya kieve group we Zaragoza di jagaye. Ye joy mo go ye joy mari mo no. A hotel work in Yejo is that goes off. Not even an Yejo can only hotel work. Yejo bag will work by yo. In Aguana on one Yejo, their worst enemy. Don't they talk again? He has to be a way. But there are more. Yejo, or soon we will Laska check up. You went to a soon will make Laska check up. Even Yawa butter because when we be here to you were our live video. You may low year you were live video because you are a useless woman. Ye jono kuweko bogulala owa ho eko bete kuweke e dido bete iula lekia ulalo he e dido e bete tete ulala no myo ya he no eko degbe ma bola we bi jo wa su were weke drosagi wa su kuweke ye drosagi wa su kuweke ye jono sage no ho tu wa va su ba bo kian la pêche de bi drosagi no wa i gbi aga America e pêche de gbi aga America odo sun wo bovin e time one we me ngere drosagi i jokin ri yayo i je o kian ri yayo bovin wa e kedu wa gbege me gbege o se we na mozo kenu wa muge me muge as far as we e pêche te kian no wa wo bi o gba fi fon wana fi ko go be iba bo la pêche te gbe iba bo la o heni jejo you never see church where is it so egbe awore la wo ya ri ya me ke awe ne kon na pie ki ogoro na e do vi la yan do su se yo we e do su de se yo we because you know You ain't me watch you. Mary Yahweh. Sanyo. No work big bay. Azua. Nobody let you say you're going to attack Barack Obama. Well, me again, I'm walking out of the politician. Come on, winning. Next month, the bank so wire. Oh, yeah. Yes, one of you put the war. Oh, where am we? Where am we? You're going to the government house. Special advisor to the government house, to the government. Special advisor to the government. SSC. Yeah, I'm SSC Junior. Oh, God. Yeah, il peut me donner des drink and drink. À converser. Ijo azwo. Wogun wan gboji. Ulola ni adipot. Una zigo ya we visa lala. Ya mo ko ne degbe mo ade obu. E ko ne boto. E ko ne wo na mo ade obu no do ho no lala wo he. Ya ga ni ani deportation. Ni la Nigeria. Ari wa uzai. Ko egbag. Ya ga ulala wa la training wa shake. Ulala wa la training wa agwo. Na we. Ore na marisi. Ha di poto kuna. Ya mu training ya. Español ya deport. Ode we wa talk be.
Hello, Baba with a smile.
I greet you.
I greet you, my brother. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
God bless you.
Well, I just say you did online. I just say me I give you small word.
Go ahead, yeah.
When or where someone mag bow and moon can wa.
Kakabo.
Umbani tane. Na bati na ruby boy na. Ikoni bona o maybe where abati oze bobo. Iya maege e boy na. Ose bossebe. O ya na mi ya. Onana no guana no wa obu ana bi na to won yezena.
Exactly.
O le se mi o le se gbe wa we. O ga se gbe ine. E ga ike na bi we o ba lo. No, emi no ma de yo, no. Badi sana ni ha, iya me bi wete ege ni oni falling victory. O falling mumu, ona de yo. Gi o ba de yo na ni ha. Iye ga zu obi no zu na. O wa abudi abu wo mu di agbegbe. O so pe mi no ma de o ma de yo my brother, I dey na who. When you go going to God that now, almost 43 years in the year, he says, I may be one maybe where he got more money. If ever you are here, if I think if over here, I will need genocide. Say, now we need genocide. Say, Anaga Jagbo, Masen or Moro, or Masen or Cherutan of your Quahara. My baby boy near there, we boy need, we marry and we are touchable at your mind. You dig where you get a comedian who are a precious, and no mere will take a teenager.
Exactly.
As a good mother. And now I teenager, and the precious a lie or what, and bien one war. A bien one war, a lie or what. A boy, I come out there by now, woman. I disobey a life in under risk, you know. Any year in a beg of Yasun Wahwe, I was a low then when I learn your mother, we work in and I will have when we have no other woman big river, was you was a low and he guys a good mother.
Exactly.
If not all women, okay, I will do you make it. In fact, for my own, it's annoying. I'm just saying, you could talk us or you could say, Osagi.
Like I've already, we are back with you.
So we Yeah, because of you.
You know, we are on
Okay, because of you. Okay, because of you. I have like a ya support the women or women or man. But then you have who support the boy and you know what man. Oh, yeah, sit me. Oh, yeah, sit it's no we are so clear in I will be Obalo or the gear because that was a Kamasoma I will ballo.
Oh, how many are you?
Yeah, supported because supported because that were a piece of my body. Don't need to be sentiment.
Exactly.
I had the now way.
Anyway, I'm not looking at you. Episode bus.
Oscar ya bi wahwe iruni menani ilumenani ilumena no weje dinyawo weda obidia abonya nikena wiye ilu na nije gebe ni band wa wati no gula kokoko aba ore planika lowe ore ti asede 100 million ore ti asede 100 million because ni ya won ni la kokoko ni ya won na block ni ya te call any time we to God am Africa should be one Nigeria before bariva before ni ho be you know what we wow o ti atese ni go document ya se di go be almost a week na ne ye ti ase ni go okay na okay what the moja ye be me ase de inari be me na ya ase de it may be say to God that when that come on maybe where a monthly send down if you go we don't know or one guy ya get or maybe where a boy ti se di go ne.
Yeah.
Oh, how long we forget to send you the video? Because my mom is the part in your name. Because I don't buy you can be on board.
Listen. Thank you.
Yeah, even the can young boy.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Because about the time, man, the boy ain't no set or tie my yaji, but I've been in our kiri how yara. Kiri, I will go. Yeah, we are. Okay, the sooner the okay. Here they want a udano, Misuno.
What?
Come on, I go move on here. Atamala
Listen.
When you go to move on, how you associate yourself with this kind of person? Action, give men, not possible. Where's my brother? Do what I think wacky.
Thank you, man.
Oh.
Now, when I see as these people useless ratio, if Yenivie was the first person who first started the saga Josagi for this social media as a whole, when they really opened God Sent Foundation, because Ivie was intent to sleep with Josagi stormed Ivie and went for Winifred. Ivie was angry and requested for the money he has spent on God Sent Foundations, which Josagi refused to refund to her, and she started insulting Josagi. She insulted Josagi for many years, just to make sure he bring down God Sent Foundation down. The same Josagi today was the one that requested that vowed to pay 1 million naira for those who get Ivie naked pictures. If I see something, I just laugh by me. And you're looking at your boss laugh. I say, see this one. Yeah, people. Oh, yeah, I'm bloody bread will get so now. Then I digest it. What's in another way? Say another way. What they eat like to know how bread? I'm not at home. Help me put on. No, thank you. Thank you. Oh, Chimo. Wonderful. Edionosaki, ani no fire, eragmo ekemidi. When you don't know, not gonna blame that woman. If you're bad on him, you blame a woman. You know get with no one to blame that woman. I swear to God, if you're bad on the blame him. Because a woman is found the way Osage is Omila. attack back no gyojino. A tools no sagiga I used was Osamu Diame. It was the tools he was using. No ya ami me. A tools ni galo. Understand? So ni ya watana kwa gabe. Abe the next gbere na. Ina zo. Ye gentleman igbe. Ye gentleman. Ye gentleman. Bien no bien na ile suya ile somo ai. Awo ke papa no gbon wa. Ona awo ke papa no gbon wa one of Zaragoza. Asun. Odo dage ni ya. Eddie Murphy una ladian utana. Ne no de una wa gwan kan. Genocide. Dead aboyo in na maisi. I now wait 4 o'clock. I go wait 7 o'clock. I don't go on genocide. Because why? A genocide is a APC member. You refuse to come on to speak the truth to kick against the bad art. Then you don't say my one night. I want night cool. This is the major reason why I can never be a friend to you guys. Because you people are so useless. Now, Ladia, I got a shop again, not even free. Work more. Kiwame. Kiwame look me. Why I got a shop one not even free of charge. I make a one asa. I'm here. Ah, God. As you move your Africa shop, I make it not there. It can win out your yak move your leg. Me. We Africa shop no doing na me will pay. We Africa shop we restaurant no doing no way. Na me will pay kata. Where we don't show can not pay. Can no I am. Timothy, utoge gbe. We no read damn say. Oma. Where bemo. You are showing your own to the world that they are useless. Of you wear like bodo wenya or tie bone manoka koku wene or no ka rivine wene of your hakereo on muye Melissa or na arovi Melissa or hawena boboyo or hawena boboyo hana bogodo no years of money when all I get the movie when we are tiaro well or on you see. Mother get to Zua. Obi o kano ma say 5 years or no ma say 6 years. Una mwe la ja media no do atie bo no ko ba no bi no die ne. Udere because we believe we Melissa a presenter. The Melissa the presenter ba the Melissa or the Melissa the to talk do agbegbe you on. How would you feel? Benu we na he ku ka wo no ga mi logbi. Wa na he ni awe. O wo na ma do go divio. Wana we gospel ma do a good deed. Even we are suspect. Etu miya we do good deed now. Let assume we go the way we. Etu miya we born we think do good way yo. Uwobo or giwe. Or kama we do good and the same of bo na ka yase niya. Kuma bodu ni yara no yaro yoboni. Bodu we yaro yobo. Edu fi tanu ada yo. Ni bodu yaro yobo. And when no, no, do.
If I wasn't born after those insults, I don't offend you. Epa, leave me, oh. Epa, don't leave me, oh. You never begged me for that call where you call me, say I come. You never tell me, say sorry. If you don't say sorry, now we'll talk normal. Imate with Nigeria. Oh, Imame, where would you see ya? Imame with Nigeria. Imame, where would you see ya?
What do we put it here?
Mena afi we prank no se fu we ti ma mai when I we both yara ba ya maybe yako. E we wa do so na wa. What say boy like na e.
Manipula we
Why was here? That's in Nigeria.
Oh God.
What do we go to Ghana?
Saloba was. Yeah. Epa, all my to Saloba, I'm going to do a review. We're sure. Omanoria do a video, Omanoria do a video. Ije me no reini, no ya tem with the family emu. Irio wase. Irio wase, ya tem, uje ne be a bagbe. No ria jopo, no ria diomade ni adorawa. No room money ya fe. Ije ne ya tinya mo emi noje. Ha. Ya tinya mo.
Our pony be my hoy, Chiaro, Miana. Me watch you
Maybe not 1 year, almost 3 years. Then here we are.
Oh, wow, body gumaho. Abo bonigmaho. There, the same of walk coming away, even non lawa or yara. Oh, no, my love for 3 years. No, I accuse you, give on the door. The well one, you had this stupid year, the movie. Women, where? Could be.
Do one yara, and if you have a rabbi, you have a what will I use it for? Go for big batting.
You said that you are on my bit of Marona. Let but take it on your muscle,
or a mortuary. In more Latin, every major water. When a way walking, Mr. Nigeria, me, I was, you know, we are you know, we meet Latin. It's a boy, I tell your name, you feel more emoji, and I go out there. Again, you need to get your money. Okay. Well, I accuse you, I work at police, I was here because why? My way, when I accuse him now, it can't be a balia. I'm not more happy here. In the live in Nigeria.
I don't feel, doesn't know why. This is same you and your son insulting this woman this evening. Why are you restaurants? There are more. When why do I apologize to this same woman? After we accuse her, now you apologize to her. You now still come again for the second to ask to accuse her. And when I saw her, when I'm also naming you know what the buzz after many years now, bro. One more the buto the movie, but one of your only way. Move away. Any year what time must I be advising you all the time? It may not see a bonu where must I be insulting you all the time? Yeah, what a bonu yaga. Me man see a bonu where you know what can there no problem with? Oh, what problem where Edwin we are one working a good never will hire now. Or twin or that lack or that or being winning the show. No, I have been boy. Why are you a no marking what walking? Who were deputy or do Edwin what they were who were near Edwin wearing wine. Every young time way. We're gonna wow. We quite get your betrayer. That's in what I mean. I've been here till we go worry way. We control, we try to contribute. Con we get any ma. We get the movie any ma. Okay. Even I know the campaign, but we come. We can't be on the last. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna. I'm gonna. I'm gonna. I like walk out. Understand? I like walk out. Yako assim bien, hein? Et non, ça c'est what moi j'ai. Ogin ba, ogin ni kao. E go di ma we go di wi. Wa ba go do ma gbe. We go do we am police. We are reporting my police. We go do we di mo fi. We ya tie boyo. Boya go le no we. We go do we tin was about we boni lo kun le obo. area we. When I saw that motor was there Facebook. Now I pity making I go the way we need to make an I go the way we make an way I worry Mari. I know what you are doing. In a plan, what's a plan? We are considering news us now. It's already when I'm going. And you can wait before. We lock up. And I buy because it could be my we, my guy. You get Nigeria, I'm young, yeah, they good away. It's okay, no. So cannot see a bonnet. Also, but you not be Melissa. You not be Melissa. Oh, do I enough? We want to have boa. You when not be a girl if Spain. Now, deported one of your boy, in your early. Mamma boy at Bebu. My talk is well. A bomb house, okay, no. As soon. Ye joy. What is it? Oh, I'm a bomber yak believe. Me, I want to support any of them. The way that they useless, it enjoy the useless. This is where work bina. Not really come a big talk. Yari, or the way be. At the last wrong way, I dig banner. At the journey, Sigman. I give you win. Have the video to tie. No, my drink. Ya ve goni wa ya so makamen. Togo mene lawa. We be dinner, you know. My friend, will you get side? You get side in there. I'm already inside. Tola wala. Tola wana no way. Alright guys, let me leave you guys now. Muna enjoy ourselves. About West Wisdom. How are the movie good lost? No carry juju. I wanna appeal line now. Wanna appeal line now, man. Who got that? Good that the movie we get your cast. Yeah, hang back plan and you make it a deco. Make it a deco work by Sagano. Motian la reverse. If I'm watching Indiana, if I'm watching it walk, that's not. Watching area, Moriawa. But la mozaga. A format no go work, you don't cast. What already? Alright, girl, let me leave you guys. I'll see you guys later. If you be later, if we next 10 minutes time because I never sleep. I'll sit in my bar here. Last my money so they sip my beer. Understand what to do. Be okay, lot of the carpet here will be. You left now, you be I hope you are with Igbe ahoho ero la di siye. Okune gma ko yo ye just giave. Ala. Okune gbe ko re rapa ya we Holandis. Aye mi ro pa yuwe ya agwo ziga. Wa ba ya ye were. Wonderful. Soft touch. Iwe do o mi láti on saje o gbo wori yo gbo pisi ayo am pisi am gbo na ya gbo wali ko fate jon saje no vi approve la dia very important we no post approve no ya go saje eno ya di go ni yo no le saje ma get for la dia go ni ye ni ya di go saje no post We want to see, yeah. We want to see, yeah.
Hello, Baba Bota, Domo, Pamenwa. Or this one.
We want to see, Baba. We want to see, yeah. Yeah, the movie. The movie, I can't remember, yeah, do.
A phone.
Wait, to
The door was open. 7 years.
I see.
Oh, God, yeah.
See, God, take it, bye.
Thank you, brother. Madam, already. You may say, I soon. But I allow it. But once on her boy, you know, yak boy, yak be where you are. You're talking yak billy where you are. A goodie, a goodie, a goodie, a woman. Or yak billy.
Udege both you why. O man 90 year born because we were mweriani. Yes now. Oh we were mweriani. So don't need na yache born because we for a man with a we binana. O mo ye do be. We are going to be.
Why you boy? Auntie, man, I confess it.
Okay.
See, Mama Melissa, come and bring this cup for us. Come and bring this cup for us. Oh, there was just like resting like 4 times.
Oh, bye. Thank you.
Take care.
Udega wonu ubie. Udega wonu ubie. Omo we na hina o. Udega wonu udega na mo fi o aye. We na live you o we na wonu mwe camera da yin. Ona tie boni yemili. O yemili yemili sa. Za lo bwa. Di mo fi o swear. Ne de mo ma se no bie. Bio igbo we na. No ma de bi o ma se no bi boli wo mo e boli na e boli no wa ibo muri na guru o bi we na aritali anya mo ara so na ya we ya contribute oge cause na ma no ma mo understand you gonna man no man na me bi e di mo fi we mo e no ga na oni no fi kuna wo wa we ya de do je mi di mo fi we say we are tomorrow I'll come and analyze your video tomorrow for you, okay? See you guys. Now, good night. Now, enjoy yourself. Now, bye-bye for now.